Today I'm gonna show you how to make a little twist on everyone's favorite drink, which is a vodka soda. We are going to do a cranberry twist with our Skinnies cocktail mixer. So the ingredients you're gonna need is a shot of your favorite vodka. You can of course adjust the level of alcohol to make it stronger or weaker according to your taste preference. And we are gonna top it with some soda water. It's a great sound, that crisp. All you need is 1 packet of our Skinnies cocktail mixer. This has 0 calories as well as 0 sugar, so you can enjoy all of that flavor without feeling guilty. I'm just gonna mix it here, and of course I like to garnish my cocktail with a lemon, but you can do whatever your taste preferences are. You can also add some pomegranate seeds for some added color and flavor, and now you're ready to enjoy a not so basic cocktail with a little bit more flavor. Cheers!